Hello friend, welcome to my channel. As you know why I am here, I think you must know, and whatever I am going to tell you, I think you listen, pay attention until unless I end this video. So as you know, I practice English every day because nowadays I am learning English. That's why I practice every day and I want to improve my communication skill so that I communicated with anybody. That's why I am improving my English. You can also communicate like me if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to speak English fluently, naturally, confidently, then this video is for you. I know sometimes I make mistake, but don't worry. You should know that until unless you make mistake, you can't speak fluently. That's why my teacher said to me, you should speak even you make mistake. It's okay, but don't stop. Learning English is very easy if you know the right method. That's why I don't want to give up until unless I speak English, communicated with anybody. And if you know the right method, then you can communicate with anybody. And sometimes something look like so difficult, but you should remember one thing: if you practice every day, whether you make mistake, even speak a small sentence every day, like whatever you do every day, you should speak. Don't stop. If you want to reach your goal, if you want to communicate it, if you want to make a new friend, then you must speak English, because everything can be done if you try to do something. Nothing look difficult. If you decided to do something, yes, I will have to do, then you can do everything.